Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you the Shopify Payments setup, how to add payments. So to do this is pretty simple actually. So all you have to do is go to your Shopify and then you'll have to go to your settings. From your settings, you will have to locate your billing or your payments. So you can go with billing here. So the billing also deals with the payments, but the payments will deal with the payment setup. So here, in the payments, you can choose a provider that you want, but by default, there's going to be a PayPal payment provider. So you can choose a provider from here. You can search as you can see. So here for testing, you have the bogus gateway if you're using this to test your shop out. So there's a lot. This depends on your country, such as Stripe, QuickPay, CyberSource, Tap Payments, Payoneer, and many much more. So let's just search for PayPal. Of course, it's already added. It's not going to show PayPal anymore because it's already added here. All you have to do is just complete this setup and then you'll be on your way. So basically, all you have to do is do the PayPal Express checkout and then you'll be on your way. So you can also add your manual payment methods here if you want to do so. And there's also custom methods of payment you can do. So it's going to redirect you to a new site, of course, but pretty much you can also do custom payments. So here, such as the release it, cash on delivery, checkout blocks, and ETP. So you can choose from those. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.